Today was really great. There was a lot of good energy. It was really good to meet with other people who are leading innovation and to kind of share some of our woes and some of our successes together to learn from each other.
This is not a conference where you sit and listen to people pitch you on their company, which is okay, it's business. But what I thought the whole Unconference model was really great, not just for the networking, but also the exchange of ideas, the meeting of experts across the spectrum and across industries, from the military to pharma to government, UN, whatever it is. And so I found this to be one of the more productive conferences that I've been to in the innovation space.
Being in a room full of very talented, intelligent folks from all across industries and walks of life, really trying to make a dent in the world. We're all sharing some really difficult, complicated pain points, and we're all trying to just make a difference. So it's super reassuring to see that other people are struggling with the same pain points, and I'm not alone.
One of the things today, that I discovered was somebody in a commercial industry is facing some of the challenges that I'm facing in a nonprofit industry. And so
we all have the same KPI challenges, and we have the same ROI challenges and same leadership buy-in challenges. So I feel like there's so much similarity.
It's not just the nature of the business, it's kind of the nature of humans. So it was nice to be in a room with other people who are like-minded, facing some of the same challenges or have tips for success, and just kind of sharpen each other's swords, so to speak.
Things are going to change, things are going to evolve, and you kind of got to stay on your toes in terms of that.
But failing fast is really another way of learning fast as well. And it goes back to how accepting or how much does your innovation culture really celebrate failure to learn and move faster.
It's stopping and saying, what I was good at or what worked before, I actually need to try something different, or I need to totally take a different step back and see how I can get better results.
You're never going to land where you started, and it's a process, and it's a continuous process of improvement.
There was a lot I learned. I have a whole notebook full of good content.
Very often somebody from the Air Force mentioned either you lead, follow, get out of the way. Like if you're not going to come up with a solution, then don't just shoot it down.
Yeah.
And these are the kind of things that you're looking for in a cross-industry meet.
I loved it. Today was amazing. Thank you so much. Took away a lot of learnings I'm going to apply to my team.